Cold cream has been used to clean and moisturize the skin for centuries. The Roman physician Galen is attributed with developing the first such cosmetic using beeswax and olive oil. As time passed, olive oil was replaced with almond oil. Rosewater or other scented waters were also added to give the cream a pleasant smell. Lucy Stephenson and her daughters likely had a pot of cold cream sitting on their dressers to use before bed to keep their skin clean and healthy. Recipes were numerous, but almost all use the same basic ingredients, with slight variations depending on the maker: almond oil, rosewater, and beeswax. To make our 19th century cold cream, start by readying a double boiler and place it over the fire to boil. To a thick bottom porcelain pot or pipkin, add 2 tablespoons beeswax and 1 tablespoon spermaceti. Since spermaceti is no longer commercially available, we use jojoba oil as a substitute. Set the pot into the boiling water and stir until the wax is melted, then add half a cup of almond oil. Stir until all is liquefied. Remove the pot from the double boiler and slowly add half a cup of rose water, being sure to stir the mixture continuously until the whole of the water is incorporated. As it cools, it will begin to set on the sides. Scrape it back into the liquid and keep stirring until cool. Once it is cooled, it will be thicker and have a creamy, opaque color. The rose otto or essential oil may now be added and the whole poured into a clean jar for use. The original recipe claims it will keep for up to 2 years in a well-glazed pot, but we recommend using it within 1 to 2 months.